Want to make money online without grinding for hours a day? In this video, I will show you 5 laziest ways you to make up to $500 a day online, even if you're a complete beginner. This requires little to no experience, minimal effort once it's set up, and most importantly, no selling your soul. And stick around because number 5 pays me every single month on autopilot, even if I never lift a finger again. Now, of course, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They work in 2025 and are beginner-friendly. You won't need to show your face, and in some cases, you barely need to touch your laptop after setting these up. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin from Burt.online, and I make videos all about making money online so that you can actually make money online too. I'm going to show you 5 of the laziest ways you can use to make money online. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the first method, which is Faceless YouTube automation. So you can create simple YouTube videos using AI tools. There's no filming, no voice, no editing skills needed. Here are the steps you could use to actually do this. You can use ChatGPT to generate scripts. You can use Pictory or InVideo for automatic video creation. All you need to do then is upload to a niche channel. You could think of things like top 10s, facts, and motivational content. Then you can monetize for YouTube ads and affiliate links. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you could then become part of YouTube's partner program, which will then get you ads every time your videos are shown. You can also, from day one, you could add affiliate links into the descriptions. When people click through and purchase a product, you could obviously get a commission on autopilot. Now, with just 10 videos, some creators are hitting $100 a day and outsourcing everything for under $30 per video, leaving you to do barely nothing at all. So method 2, print on demand with AI. You can create designs once, never touch the inventory, and let platforms such as Redbubble or Etsy do the rest. You could use tools such as Midjourney or Canva AI to create designs. You can upload them to Printful, Teespring or Etsy. You can also get AI to generate the product descriptions and your SEO for you. You can literally do this while watching Netflix. It's $10 to $50 per sale, and it's all hands off after it's set up, because places like Redbubble will generate the order for you and actually send the order out after creating your product. So again, you can see how lazy this really can be. Method 3 is digital product reselling. You could buy PLR rights, which is private label right products like ebooks, courses, templates, and resell them under your own brand. You could go to PLR sites such as plr.me or IDPLR. You find niche products in finance, fitness, self-help. You can then customize with ChatGPT if needed, and then you could sell on places again like Etsy or even Gumroad or on your own site. And once you've done this, you can set it and forget it, and it's automated delivery. You could be earning while you sleep, because all of these products are digital, so you can set it all up. There's no inventory, there's no product to actually make. It's all there, and it just needs to be sent out as soon as someone purchases. So method 4 is AI-powered microservices on Fiverr. So you can offer simple services using AI and let Fiverr bring you in customers. Use ChatGPT to write resumes, emails, and ad copy. Sites such as Midjourney to create logos and graphics, and offer AI voiceovers or video scripts. Now, there's a little bit more work with this, but again, once it is actually set up, you just need to spend a few minutes doing each gig. You can charge between $15 and $50 per gig, and AI will do 90% of the work. Some resellers clear $300 to $500 a day doing this part-time. Now, the 5th method, and my favorite because I actually earn money every single month using this, and that is affiliate marketing with recurring commissions. This one is my lazy income favorite. You can promote a product once and get paid every single month, for life in some cases. Now you need to sign up to affiliate programs with recurring payouts, and that could be things like ConverterKit, Canva, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Aweber. There's hundreds out there that you can choose. Once you've signed up, you can share your unique link in YouTube video descriptions, in blog posts, in TikToks, and or Pinterest, depending where your customers are engaging. Each person who signs up and uses the product or service, you will get paid a monthly commission, recurring every single month. Now all you need to do is go and set up an email list or a simple landing page once. Let SEO or social media do the work while you sleep. With enough traffic, you can easily turn $500 a day. And what you could also do, you could bundle loads of free templates or tools to encourage people to sign up through your affiliate link. It feels generous and it converts like crazy. If you want more tips on how to do affiliate marketing, I'm also giving away my free affiliate profit formula mini course that you can sign up and download for free. Just check out the descriptions around my channel or in the descriptions on this video. So let's just have a quick recap of the 5 laziest ways to make money online in 2025. The first one we talked about is faceless YouTube channels, then print on demand with AI, digital product reselling was next, and then AI microservices on Fiverr, finishing with my favorite one, which is affiliate marketing with recurring commissions. What I would say is pick one of these and actually commit for 30 days. It won't make you rich overnight, but it can change your life by the end of the year. So drop a comment below and let me know which method you're going to be starting. And then I can reply with some more tips and that to help you in your journey. So remember these 2 things: work smart and earn lazy. Trust you found this video useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next. And if you haven't already, make sure you actually subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.